Everybody, it's basically the same game. Well, pretty much it is the same game, but only difference is it doesn't have blood. So instead of thinking of the wolves getting killed when you see the blood in the other video, think of this video when you don't see the blood. Think of them just getting passed out by the giant golden eagle bird creature here, smothering them with its butt. Well, here we go. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Hello, Miss Wolfie. Guess what? Get squashed! No! No! Not this! And passes out. I mean, I know in the game they pretty much die because they're squashing them, but imagine if in the game they could just pass out only and eventually wake up and then you just squish them again. One thing I like about this game is that you can sit on the Anthro wolves. It would be cool if the person who made this game could make this game where you could be where you have a selection of whatever bird you want to be. So you would start the game, but then you could choose whatever bird you want to be. That'd be really cool.
Oh, it smells under here. No!
Oh, another target. Hello, Miss Wolfie. You want to get squashed again, do ya? Okay. She's like,
No, not this again. Oh, no, 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 no. I just took a shower. I'm gonna be smelly again. Arr! Oh no!
Then Mr. Eagle's like, any more targets for me to squish? So anyone watching this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Well, watch my videos, like them, comment in the section below. And subscribe to my channel if you want. Have a good day. Adios. Adios, amigos. On camera, focus on the eagle face.
Not you, but someone silly. But I think it's about and he said, oh, looking for the call or text.
So anyways, everyone, watch my videos, like them, comment section below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Yeah, I know.
Eagle kisses.